Welcome to this guided meditation for navigating change on Declutter the Mind. In this practice, we're going to focus on navigating change. Change is an inevitable part of life, but it can often bring discomfort, uncertainty, and stress. And so, in this practice, we'll use mindfulness to help us ground ourselves amidst change, learning to observe it without getting lost in the emotions and thoughts that may arise. And so begin here by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair with your feet grounded to the floor or on a cushion with your legs crossed. Allow your hands to rest in your lap or on your knees. And take a deep breath in and then slowly exhale. Doing this a few more times for the next few moments before allowing your breath to return to its natural rhythm. And let's start by bringing our attention to the present moment. Gently notice the breath moving in and out of your body. There's no need to change anything here. Just observe the natural flow of your breathing. Notice the sensations of your body. Feel the weight of your body against the seat, the ground beneath your feet. You are here right now in this moment. And now bring to mind the idea of change. This could be a specific change in your life, something you are going through now, or it could be the general feeling of change that life brings. And just notice here what thoughts or emotions immediately arise when you think about this change. Again, there's no need to judge or analyze the thoughts. Just acknowledge them. You might feel tension, unease, excitement. Whatever arises, simply notice it and let it be. And change can often feel overwhelming because our minds want to resist it, or we become attached to the way things were. And so, in this practice, we're going to observe change just as we observe the breath or any other sensation. And so, notice the thoughts or feelings that arise around change. They may be anxious, hopeful, fearful, uncertain. Just acknowledge these feelings without trying to push them away or hold on to them. Just let them be. And like everything else, these thoughts and feelings are temporary. They come and go, just like the breath. And so allow yourself to sit with whatever arises, knowing that it will pass, just as everything does. And whenever you feel lost in thoughts or emotions around change, gently return your attention to the breath. Feel the sensation of air entering or leaving your body. The breath is always present, always steady, no matter what changes are happening around you. And so the breath can be your anchor, helping you stay grounded even when the world around you is shifting. Change is a part of life, just like the cycles of nature. Day turns to night, seasons shift, and so do our lives. Nothing stays the same. And so when we resist this, we create suffering. But when we can see change for what it is, a natural part of existence, we can learn to navigate with it with more ease. And so take a moment to reflect on the impermanence of things. Notice how everything, your thoughts, your emotions, your experiences, they have a beginning, a middle, and an end. You don't have to control the change. You don't have to resist it. Just observe it as another experience passing through your life. And so, as you continue to sit with your breath, let's bring to mind here the idea of acceptance. Acceptance doesn't mean that you have to like or agree with everything that happens, but it means recognizing that change is a part of life. It's about allowing things to be as they are without needing to control them. And so, as thoughts and feelings arise, acknowledge them and then return to your breath. Practice accepting the present moment as it is, knowing that it too will change. And as we near the end of this practice, just take a moment here to check in with yourself. Notice how you feel now compared to when you began. And remember that navigating change isn't about stopping it or controlling it. It's about observing it, accepting it, and allowing yourself to move through it with awareness. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes and bring your attention back to the room and to sensations around you. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you next time.